In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to put these stand clips into your PS5 so you can lay it down horizontally flat. All right, so first we're going to want to go turn it around, and inside you will see that there's these holes right here and right here, and that's exactly where these go in. Okay, so the way you're going to want to put them in is actually like this. So the 45-degree angle is actually going towards the inside of the console, and the same with the other side. So all we have to do is simply find those holes, and then we can just push it in like that. There's no clip. It's not gonna like just clip in or anything, but we don't really need that. So we're gonna go ahead and find the other one, and it will fit in quite nicely. So once we do that, then we're gonna be able to just go ahead and now lie it down flat like this. All right, guys. So I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.